The state of two-dimensional stresses acting on a concrete lamina consists of a direct tensile stress sigma x 1.5 Newton per mm square and shear stress tau equal to 1.20 Newton per mm square, which causes cracking of concrete. These two-dimensional stresses acting on the lamina causes cracking of concrete. Then the tensile strength of concrete is, the tensile strength of concrete in Newton per mm square. They are asking this. Tensile strength of concrete. Tensile strength of concrete is equal to maximum principal stress. Okay, the tensile strength of concrete is equal to maximum principal stress. When one direct tensile stress and shear stress are acting on a lamina, the equation of maximum principal stress, the magnitude of that maximum principal stress equal to sigma x by 2 plus square root of sigma x by 2 the whole square plus tau square. Then sigma x by 2, that is 1.5 divided by 2 is 0.75 plus square root of 0.75 the whole square plus tau square 1.20 the whole square. Okay, after solving we will get the answer as 2.17 Newton per mm square, and our option C is the answer.